Okay, this is the second of the cultural traits, transportation. So, what is the method that you use to travel places, right? Transport is the root word in transportation. How do you transport from home to school or from school to home? How do you get to the grocery store? How do you visit your family members or your friends who live not with you? For example, I think sometimes the most obvious answer would be like, well, we take a car. But in other areas of the world, the most common method of transportation is actually the bicycle. Depending on where you live, maybe you boat, right? If you live in a place where there's a lot of canals. So think, how do you get to school? How do you visit other people who don't live near you? How do you transport from point A to point B? If you have multiple things of transportation, please include that in your answer. Thank you.